Yeah, hey there, Bill. This is Alex with Advanced Digital Marketing. Talked to you earlier today. Sorry it's a bit late in getting this video out. It's been a long day, but I'm going to show you three different things you can focus on to help bring in more customers to your business through your website by ranking at the top of Google for Orange County search terms. Bill, most likely you're sitting there wondering like why I'm doing this, what's in it for me kind of thing. I've found that a great way to start off a relationship with any kind of business owner is by focusing on providing value, straight out the gate. And not to mention, you know, the majority of business owners are too busy, running their business in the day to day or to learn how the internet can actually benefit them and how they could bring in more customers to their business. You may not be in that case exactly. I've noticed that you do receive some organic traffic through your website, ranking for carpet cleaning Orange, California, so the city of Orange that you're located in. But I noticed you weren't ranking for Orange County, which is a huge opportunity. So yeah, I've found that by creating this attack plan for business owners to show them things that they could do right away to impact their business, um, it results in many business owners, you know, realizing, okay, maybe Alex has an idea of what he's doing. He's got some tricks up his sleeve, and they give me a shot. So if by the end of the day you like this video, you like the information that is inside that you can actually use, go ahead and give me a call. I'd love to help you out. So, or obviously, if you want to take this video and do the work yourself, or I don't know if you already have someone helping you out. It looks like you kind of do, or you have in the past. Either way, just let me know. I'd love to help you out if you want to save some time and maybe a more effective route. So I'll cut straight to the chase here. Um, the first step that we would start off on would be content. So your content here, you have a good amount. You probably have about 400 words or so. Um, the best potential they say to get about 1,000 to 1,500 words. It's depending on how many keywords you're ranking for. But this is a tool I use. It's called Ahrefs, and you can go ahead and use it. It's about $100 to $150 a month, depending on the package. So Diamond Carpet Care. Here's the organic keywords you guys are ranking for. I could see that carpet cleaning Orange, California. You got Diamond Carpet Cleaning, so you got your brand name here, and you get some good volume from that. So obviously, you guys are well established and well known already. Um, However, I'm trying to help you out bring in some new business from people who don't know about you guys, um, as I'm sure you already know. So I noticed one thing that you guys are ranking for, carpet cleaning Orange, California, carpet cleaning in Orange, California, same, little bit different in. So what I wanted to talk to you about is, so look, for example, rug cleaning Orange County, right? Carpet cleaning Orange County, upholstery cleaning Orange County. Um, you're not exactly ranking for those keywords. You're ranking for your more local city area. So there's a few different ways we can go about with that, and I'm not sure. Maybe you know how to do SEO. Maybe you hired someone in the past, or you have someone in the company helping you out. So obviously, you got your backlinks, you got your keywords and citations. So I'm sure you have a idea of how this stuff works. So yeah. There's a few different ways we can go about it, right? I'm sure you know what we could do is rather than obviously changing all the content you have on here and maybe messing up what you're already ranking for. Um, I have access to large blog networks, with blog posts, guest posts, and such that are very authoritative in Google's eyes. I'm sure you know how it works. you have one website linking back to your website, and the more effective that they are, the more authoritative. See, you got your power here, you got your trust there, and then obviously how relative these links are pointing to your site. Um, when I take a look at Carpet Cleaning Orange County, excuse me, your top competitor is Carpet Cleaning OC. Sorry, Carpet Cleaning OC Pros. Threw them in right here into Ahrefs. So look, you got more backlinks in them and referring domains. So you're beating them on that end, and then you're beating them on citations. This is a tool I use. It's called Whitespark. Whitespark helps you rank on the Google Maps. So take you over here. Citations are going to help you rank right here. And I haven't even checked yet, but if you're ranking for Carpet Cleaning Orange, here. So I noticed you have more citations than your competitors, right? In Orange. However, maybe not more than Orange County. It all comes down to you're just not ranking for those keywords. So how I could do that is by, when you use our blogs and such that we have, these are purchased domains that are already authoritative in Google's eyes, and will quickly give lots of power and trust. See, you have a good ratio for sure. We just need more power and a little more trust on both ends. And then obviously the keywords need to be ranked for. And that'll bring you this traffic, right? Rug cleaning Orange County, 350 searches. Upholstery cleaning, 250. Okay, 100 Orange County carpet cleaning. Orange County rug cleaners, okay? And apologize, I'm going a little bit everywhere. Usually the people I speak with don't have any SEO done at all, and you do. I guess I'm making a poor assumption that you have an idea of how this is done already. Maybe you just hired somebody, and I should go over it a little more detail. So the Google Maps right here, since you have more, I bet you that when we search up the term that you're ranking for, or Carpet Cleaning Orange, California, you'll be ranking there. Carpet Cleaning Orange, California. There you are. No, that's a search term. Okay. So for some reason you're not ranking there yet. Maybe that's just my location that's messing with that. But okay. So moving on, I already talked about the citations. This is a way that's going to give you could go ahead and copy every single one of these citations that your competitors have and gain more to beat them out. That'll help you on your Google Map Pack. So as well as Google reviews and such too, that'll help. But yeah, so here's another method you could take. It's called the copycat method. So I threw your competitor Carpet Cleaning OC Pros into there right there. And then you go ahead and click on the referring domains, and you could take every single one of these links that they have that you don't, and go ahead and click here. And type up your info, and there you go, right? So I'm sure, so here you go. You have website A and website B. This is how backlinks kind of work. Site A is authority in Google's eyes, and it's pointing back to your site, website B. So we need relevant websites on site A that are powerful right here and have a lot of trust in Google's eyes, okay? So think of it as, like jumper cables, okay? We need power to go to your website, and it's almost like a popularity contest, okay? And I have access to a large database of backlinks that are very powerful and authoritative. will definitely be some good link juice that you could rent, and we could actually take advantage of these keywords. So you see on maybe a blog post or a guest post, I could leave, a link to your website that says rug cleaning Orange County. They click on the link, it shoots back to your website, and therefore your website will show up for rug cleaning Orange County. It'll become relevant to that term. See, these are anchor texts. So that's what that means. So this link right here, your URL, is dropped somewhere on a website and you have it 20 times. Okay. So rather than just that, I could have rug cleaning Orange County, and your site will begin to become relevant and start ranking for those terms. So I could do that for you, or we could also create a lead gen site, which I'm most likely going to do anyways. So maybe a small deposit fee just to take your basically get your position for the site, and I'll get a ranking within the next 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3 months. Apologize, and from there, this will help you grab a bigger market share. Okay, so those are the two strategies we could take. Either I drop anchor text of these keywords on my blog posts and such that will eventually get a ranking, or we can have you rent out a lead gen site that's a completely different website. It'll technically be my website, but you rent it out and take all the leads that come to it, and yeah. So sorry I went a little bit all over the place. I'll talk to you more about this, and like I said, you can go ahead and take this information I gave to you today and use it for yourself, to rank for those Orange County key terms. Or if you want a more effective route, save yourself some time. I'd love to help you out with that. So what we went over today, I'll reiterate it, go over one more time. Your front page maybe needs some more content that's relevant to rug cleaners Orange County, upholstery cleaners Orange County, carpet cleaning, right? And then citations are doing pretty good. We probably could just get a little bit more so we can get your site. Maybe I'm thinking the map pack's just messed up because I'm here in Mission Viejo. I'm not in Orange, and then map pack is relevant to your local people. So someone actually looking it up in the city of Orange. And then we need some more link juice going to your site, that has anchor text of these specific keywords that we want your site to rank for. So you can either use this information, like I said, for yourself, or I'd love to help you out. And you could reach me at 949-649-6093. That's 949-649-6093. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking to you. Bye-bye.